Hi, I'm Vaughan taking part in UDOT's construction updates with John Gleason. As you will recall, this kind of organization revolves around the current updates on the minor construction projects in which you see on YouTube. Examples are from Interstate 15, Bacchus Boulevard, SR 111, Bangor Expressway, Mountain View Corridor. All you get are some short updates with the current construction projects, such as intersections to interchanges on Bangor Expressway, or street repairs, or new bridges being built. But here's something new for you to see on each of UDOT's construction updates in the following 3 paragraphs. We're going to start talking about the new upgrading changes in each of the traffic signals in all of the state of Utah. This means the way each traffic signal is currently hanging from the cable is going to be upgraded into being on the overhead steel girder, as you see right here. We're also going to inform you of some new traffic signals that'll be installed at certain intersections. The dates in their changing status will be included for each time we give you an update on the current construction projects too. We're also going to discuss with you some new road and thoroughfare building currently going on in the state of Utah too. This includes Mountain View Corridor in the western segment of Salt Lake County, and Highland Boulevard, well, they call it Highland Drive anyway, in the eastern part of Salt Lake County. It's supposed to give us an update on how far we've completed these thoroughfares and how soon we're going to be finished also. And here's something that's going to make UDOT and some other places in the world become inspiring for YouTube also. We're also going to be making some clips on claymation and pixelation related to the different construction projects going on in the world. This includes showing on a table the process of a construction project going on from beginning to end in real animation. It's a lot like the time lapses you see on YouTube, but only through what you used to see on TV with those certain kid shows. There's going to be a recorded voiceover doing it all just like you used to see on those certain kid shows too. We hope you like these new ideas for Utah Department of Transportation and that they'll update you with the things you need to know too.